All right, Skylarwags, we are going to talk about the Echo Wing. I received one early so that I could carry it. I've been carrying this for the last couple weeks. And so I wanted to create a video before it came out to basically show you what this blade is all about. So let's get into it. All right, so these are the components to the Echo Wing. You have the belt attachment, then you have its fold-over sheath along with the live blade. You'll find that the sheath has positive retention, so it's not going to be coming out. The sheath itself is a fold-over sheath with a thumb press here, so when you want, it can be released easier. Once it's attached to your belt, there's going to be a couple options I'm going to show in a few different videos. It is secure enough that it allows you to draw this out in a reverse grip. So good sheath locked in, and you won't have to worry about that falling out, or if it's slightly canted downwards when you carry it on your belt. This was the belt attachment that comes with it. You'll notice that it has a hook here and it has a slider that allows you to carry this in a number of different ways. Now, when it came in the box, it was secured like this. Okay, so it sat in here in this position. One of the cool things about this is, depending on if you have it on this side or the other side, it allows you to carry this on your belt as an outside the belt type carry in a vertical position. It also allows you to cause a slight cant. This belt attachment is 2 inches directly across here, and so if you have a 1.5 inch belt, which normally your gun belts from say like Next belt, that's usually where they come in, or 1.25 inches, it allows you to cant the knife in one direction or the other. So it'll sit, instead of vertical like this, it'll sit at an angle depending on how you want that to be done. So I'll show that in a later video. That's not directly important. For me, I've been carrying this like this in my pocket because it is very close to the MDV fixed blade. But let's go into the next part where I describe more about the actual blade itself. So a few details on size that are important. First off, it's about 6 1/8 inch total. The cutting edge of the blade itself, I know it's been advertised as 2.5 inches. What I've been finding for mine, and I have seen and held 2 different copies of this, it is about 2 1/4 inches. So from the tip all the way to the end of the edge, right before the choil here, is 2 1/4 inches. So that is definitely smaller, and the width itself of the blade is going to be smaller than the MDV that you are used to. So this is the MDV side-by-side comparison, just like that. And as far as size goes, that gives you a decent comparison between the two. Now, one thing that you will find is that the width, or the clearance for your fingers, is a little bit larger than the MDV fixed blade. So if it fits in your hand, the MDV fixed blade, if that fits in your hand like this, you will have a little bit more clearance when you place this in your hand like so. The clearance is 3.5 inches, whereas the MDV was 3 1/4 inch. For many of you, you liked the thought process of having a handle already built into the blade, so Skallywag listened to you, and it does have a decent handle that gives you a good purchase on this blade. For some of you, I'm sure you're still going to use tape to customize it, but for those of you that just want a blade that you can pull out of the package and start carrying, this is an excellent option. I have placed this blade in the hands of a number of people. Everyone really likes it. They like the blade shape. This is D2, and they do enjoy the fact that there's a little bit more clearance for your fingers, whether you're going to be doing a 3-finger grip here in both reverse grip or not. But they do like this drop point, and everything works as far as ergonomics of the MDV fixed blade. So that is the Echo Wing. For those of you that are wondering, it is coming out on Father's Day, so get yours as soon as they drop. If you want a 10% discount, make sure you use the code ELITEU, no spaces. I'll see you guys in the next video.